Professor Badrul Khan, Dr. Badrul Khan, however you might know him, would have quite a number of connections with Northwest University, albeit through previous lives of colleagues that are now with Northwest University. I can remember my link with the Khan model when blended learning introduced itself. And so there is a link, and I'm happy to meet Dr. Khan in person. If I go through the bio, I might get stuck in technical details. The short and the sweet is moving from the term phenomenon in higher education. Dr. Badrul is a consultant. He's a well-acknowledged academic writer. Several books, translated in several languages, all on e-learning, web-based learning, digital learning, and whatever methodologies associated with that. In terms of his consultancy role, he's been requested to assist by the likes of the World Bank, Asian Development Bank. He's got White House connections through their Committee for Technology, the Office of Science and Technology Policy. He even hosted his own television program, his own television show, in the space of digital teaching and learning. There are quite a number of firsts when you call out the name Badrul Khan. One of them being, he suggested the establishment of the Bangladesh Virtual University, and if you now have a look-see, it's there. He also started a very intensive professional resource development site. He's got a program running for digital technology leadership that was established at the George Washington University, and then educational technology graduate program, also one of the firsts. So he doesn't only talk, he does. So in terms of awards, he's been acknowledged quite globally, 360. Leaders in open and distance education in North America has been acknowledged there, and his influential Khan's framework for e-learning. This is where I had the connection with a name and the work that I did in blended learning a couple of decades ago. Then past president of the International Division of the Association for Educational and Communication Technology. Colleagues, let me invite Dr. Badrul Khan to the platform. Interesting fact about him, what you don't know, is he's got some culinary skills, which he doesn't talk about, but that's our Herman van der Merwe got to know him. Personal invites to his home, and one should maybe test whether that button is still available to request for those of you who want to go abroad and visit him. He's a well sought after speaker, and we have the fortunate chance to host him at Northwest University at this CTL Teaching and Learning Conference. Also significant to me because it's the last conference in CTL that I'll be participating in. So it's a good opportunity for me. Moving out, welcoming you as part of a group of and a list of influenceable and people that leave footprint in our education. Dr. Badrul, please.